welcome back to the channel. So as you can see, it's nice and dim in the kitchen. So tonight I decided to give you all a nice, relaxing, nighttime cook with me video. So we are having chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo for the kids. And then for me and my husband, I decided to do chicken, shrimp. We are having vegetables, and I decided to throw some sausage in there for Demetrius because he likes sausage. And I am leaving out the noodles. And then I'm gonna put the Alfredo sauce over the vegetables and the meats, and I'm gonna pop that in the oven just to let all of that come together, and then I'm gonna see how that tastes. And yeah, so I'm showing you everything that I'm using in the recipe. We are making a nice creamy Alfredo sauce. I do want to tell you with the Alfredo sauce, what I decided to do was, well, in this recipe, I'm using a stick of butter and some of the garlic butter. But the only thing that I decided to do different was put more heavy cream and then less of the butter. So I'm going to use 2 cartons of heavy cream to the 1 stick of butter. And then I'm just going to add like 2 spoons of the garlic butter because I want it more creamy. I'm gonna see if I can get it more creamy with using less butter. So yeah, that's all that we're doing in this video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this nighttime cook with me. Bye, y'all. Okay, so I started off washing my chicken and I cleaned it with the lemon, seasoned it. I have some of the fat from the chicken tenders. And what I like to do, I don't take the bowl that I put the chicken in and, you know, take it to the stove because I feel like, you know, all of the chicken juices and all of that stuff is on the bottom of the bowl. So what I like to do is just put the tenders on this plastic plate. That way, once I put them in the pan, I can throw that away.